Chapter 2, Windows 10, Magic Carpet, Functions of an Operating System, History of Windows, Introduction to Windows 10, Desktop and Taskbar, Navigation pane, Power Saving Mode, Control Panel. We have already learned about the various input and output devices that form a computer system. However, hardware or devices alone are not capable of performing any computing task. To be able to work with the system, we must also install software in it. One of the most basic software that is installed in a computer system is the operating system OS. We cannot interact with hardware devices without an operating system. The purpose of the operating system is to provide an interface in which a user can execute programs and also communicate with the computer hardware in an efficient manner. Let us learn a little more about an operating system. Functions of an operating system. An operating system acts as an interface between the user and the computer. It manages all the software and hardware of the computer. The most important functions of an operating system are input or output management. Every task requires some input from user, which is then processed to generate the desired output. Operating system interacts with various devices through special software called device drivers in order to get this done. Program execution. The operating system takes charge for executing various programs, whether generated by the user or the system. Resource allocator. Software programs, applications, and data need to be stored and managed effectively. The operating system acts as a manager of these resources and allocates them to specific programs and users as necessary. These resources could be CPU, time, memory, space, file storage space, input or output devices, and so on. Main memory management. For a program to be executed, it has to be loaded in the main memory. Operating system keeps it into main memory when space is available, allocates and deallocates memory space as needed. File management and secondary storage management. Operating system looks into various aspects like creation and deletion of files and folders, free space management, storage allocation, disk scheduling, and so on. The operating systems today are very different from what they used to be a few decades ago. Initially, the operating systems were CUI, character user interface, based on which the users had to write text-based commands to perform any task on a computer. They were gradually replaced by GUI, graphical user interface, based